Oh yeah, what's up? This is the boy Dennis here. Today I'm coming with a brand new software which is going to allow you to get some automatic traffic to your website or to your offer that you're trying to offer to your customers. So without wasting much time, let's get started and see what is this that I came up with it about today. The software that I came up with today, it's called ViralMark. ViralMark.com. ViralMark.com is a software which is going to allow you to have an automatic software in your website or in your Twitter or in your YouTube. This is a complete YouTube traffic, Twitter traffic, or any social media traffic, automatic one for which is going to allow you to get an uh, automatic one to your offer. So without wasting much time, let's see what is ViralMark or all about. So ViralMark all about is a brand new technology, advanced, completely fresh YouTube and the Twitter traffic automation technology, which is allows you to post your brand exposure and grab your eyeballs and get maximum traction for your offer easily, which is 100% newbie friendly, drive a targeted traffic in 2 easy steps, which is no tech hassle needed and easy to use, zero tech skills needed, all in one platform, beginner, which friendly step-by-step training and the videos to get started easily, which is step one is purchase. Click the buy button to grab a copy. Step two is relax, enjoy, and click one button to send a free bad traffic to any link or any funnel in as little as 28 seconds. Simple as that. So this is a complete a game changer, and we are dead sure about it. So no, and don't make the mistake of thinking we're overconfident or which is the reality is that they have invested tons of time and the money into creating this state of the art solution that's never been offered before, And earlier, it was reserved only for the elite marketeers, but now everyone can grab their shares and profit without leaving their bank account dry. So you can easily make money even if you don't have. So what you have to do is this a page that I've created, which is including a bonus page that I put it together for you guys who will be interested in buying this software. So without wasting much time, let's see the bonus that I've creating for you. The bonus number one is the hack traffic, which is going to help you to start getting traffic as soon as possible using this software. Then the number two, the bonus is underground traffic, which also is going to allow you to start getting traffic as soon as possible, also just using the software. And the bonus number three is to start making money as soon as possible using the software. Bonus number two is also quick start to start making money as soon as possible without wasting much time. And bonus number five is the bonuses, access all the bonuses that the vendor providing using the software. So without wasting much time, I hope you guys understand everything what is going on about this software. So let's get started on using the software. So once you click the link that I'm gonna leave in the description below, you're gonna be taken to the members area, which is going to look about this. So make sure you go through everything and understand everything. This is a remember, as earlier, you're gonna go step by step. As you can see, this software is going to allow you to get the free traffic using YouTube traffic and the Twitter traffic. So make sure you got everything set up, everything, and start getting traffic as soon as possible to your offer. So once you're in here, you're going to see YouTube automation, and you're going to see Twitter also, and scroll your Twitter, auto follow, auto unfollow, auto retweet, auto likes, and the auto direction message, and also search tweets, gallery, Twitter account, training video, upgrading, bonuses, which they are providing for you, and support, and many more. So for you to be able to access everything once you are a, a member in here, just click here where you started where is they say YouTube automation. Just click here, provide every information that they're gonna ask you, including your YouTube information. Click login. Once you click login, just click everything that they're going to ask you. Do everything step by step, then you're good to go. Then you'll be able to get some traffic, for free traffic, from your offer that you are trying to promote. Do the same also to the Twitter, and then you're good to go, guys. I hope you understand this. There's nothing which is complicated in this. Then you're good to go, guys. This application, which is not even expensive, I think is 17 US dollars, which is going to start tomorrow, 11 a.m. is the time. Then you're good to go. Simple as that. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you understand everything. If you don't, ask ask any question down below. I'll be able to answer every question that you guys are going to ask. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.